Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, let's look at some individual companies. Here you can also see a couple of different things. So take a look right here. Let's do a few technicals and lines. Here is our, let's go to our resistance area. This is basically our support. We had a breakout here. We also had like kind of another mini breakout right here. So it continues to go. You are kind of at resistance here. So this is a little bit of concern. So basically, as you look into it, right now, the stock continues to push into higher prices, but the issue is we might be getting somewhat stretched for the time being. So be careful and take profits into strength as we continue to move higher. So that's what I would do and look at. Is just right here, we just continue to push a little bit higher. That's a little bit of a concern. There is some good bullish volume here, so that's a bit of a positive. But beyond that, I would just be a little bit more cautious. So because it's a little more stretched, I'd be a little more neutral in this case with this stock here itself. All right, so the next one I want to take a look at is Amazon here. And when we look at Amazon, this one right here, it's starting to make its way a bit higher. Notice the resistance right here, but this bar is picking up speed, so that's a good sign. You also have kind of a nice upward trend, and now it's compressing. So basically, watch for a nice clean cut break here on volume and nice wide price spread, which the price spread now is increasing. And if you look right here, there's kind of your resistance, and it's going to attempt to try to break out there. So right now, this looks like it could be setting up for higher prices. I would be a little more careful on it, but I am more bullish on the overall stock. So I think a break there could push it into further higher prices. So it looks good on my end. The next one here is AVY or Avery. This one here, it's right there. It's digesting. It's been digesting. Here's kind of your sideways consolidation pattern. You're right at resistance. Here is your support. So if it comes back to this level, this could be kind of a possible good value opportunity. But what you're waiting for is basically wait wait for that break above the 155, 160 level on volume, and this could be a very positive sign there. For now, it's just moving sideways. With the sideways move, you just don't know if it's going to reject it, so that's why I'd be a little more neutral. The market's also at a little bit of all-time highs, so be a little more careful there, but the stock's been doing well. I mean, if you look at the recent run-up here with the just the trend, it's been going up, and now we're getting kind of in that upper range, and that could be a little bit of a nice move again higher after this sideways consolidation level. EA here, as we check this one out, notice right here we are right at resistance. Right there, and you can see that more neutral on this one. There is some nice good value opportunity here around 125. I don't think it'll get there. Here's some more support level. I believe I think the stock is slightly stretched to the upside, and now you are digesting sideways. So here's your kind of sideways consolidation pattern. So you'll see if it can break out further. There is some good nice bullish volume there, so that is good on the growth side. So you're just gonna have to see if it's kind of just a sideways digestion or it'll build up some more steam. However, this move has been a bit accelerated, so a pause or break is healthy and a good thing. So anyways, that's with EA. I think it's, you know, there's a lot of gaming stuff involved lately, and this one definitely has been doing quite well around that 140 level. It just continues. I mean, it was down at 115, 117, and now you're at 140. Let's look at Etsy. Some of these big companies like Etsy and Pinterest, these social media ones, are struggling a little bit today. So here's a possible good value opportunity if it gets into those levels. You are seeing some resistance. Really, you're coming right into that resistance right around 200. I mean, these have been moving just very, very well. So if you look at this trend, here's your upward trend line that has been holding. Now the stock is stretched, and this trend is being broken. So this could be an issue. I would kind of wait for a pullback. I wouldn't be bearish on it, so that's why I'd be more neutral on it. I would just kind of wait for a pullback, and if it gets pulled back to around 160, that could be a better value buying opportunity. So watch for a value buying opportunity rather than you know, trying to short these things, because some of these can snap back up pretty quickly. Okay, I've got a few more for you. Jazz right here. It's breaking out quite well. Let's look at the weekly. I think the weekly will be a little bit nicer. Let's see if we can auto align some of these things. Right here, let's see. Scale price chart. All right, there we go, auto fit. So here, as we back up a little bit, you can see here was our resistance level. So there's resistance, here's resistance over here. It's attempting to break out there, and the bullish volume picking up some speed. So that's what you're kind of watching right here. There's some good support here as well. So now it's starting to break out. The stock is starting to pick up speed to the upside and breaking some critical resistance levels. So I would be bullish on it, but be a little more careful just because the market is a bit stretched and extended. The other issue that I'm noticing is this last bar has some concern, and that is because it broke through it and it's selling off, and that's a bit of an issue. So it's showing some weakness, so be careful there. But beyond that, stock looks fairly good. LYFT. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.